Hello, welcome to TextureMyth. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So I'm taking program in edit mode. So you can see that firstly we are declaring three variables here. These variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website, and after that you can directly use the command. So for using the command you can write RTVSYSVAL, and inside that you can pass these two parameters. First one is the sysval, the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second the variable where you want to hold that value. Okay, so now if you want to know more about these values, then you can press F1. So once you press F1, it will take you to this screen where you can find all the description of the values that we can retrieve from the system, and these are the values that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So I'm just directly taking it to the next value that we are going to discuss today, and once you got the information, then you are good to directly use this value. So today we are going to discuss about this one, which is QKBD type, keyboard language character set. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately, so it will give the information regarding the keyboard language character set. Another thing is QLANGID, which is default language identifier. Changes made to the system value take effect for jobs started after the change is made. Third value is QLEAPADJ, which means leap year adjustment. This system value is used to adjust the system calendar algorithm for the leap year in different calendar system. Okay, this system value is determined by the year offset that is associated with the time zone description specified in the system value Q time zone. So this is how you will get to know about the values that we can retrieve from the system. Then after looking into that, you can directly copy it from here, just paste it in the sysval field along with the variable where you want to hold the output. And then once these line got executed, RTVSYSVAL command, like we are doing it for the other two values, then you can directly print the values. So for printing, we are using sndpgmmsg command. Inside that, I am passing the variable which I want to print, and if the variable is of decimal type, we will convert it to character. Okay, so let's try to compile this and see what all output we are getting. So it is compiled now. Calling it, first output we got as USB, second is ENU, and third is 0. So this is how you can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the values from the system. I hope it is clear to all of you. In next session we will cover few more topics. So thank you for watching TextureMyth.